Okay, this is lesson 3.8. We're relating multiplication and division. The key learnings we have here are an array can show both division and multiplication. And we can use our multiplication facts to help us remember division facts and vice versa, which means the other way around. So here's an example. 12 students want to play a game. How many ways can you place these students or make up teams that no students are left? I'm just going to go through these, no questions, okay? So the first thing we can do is make 12 groups of 1. Agree?
Yeah.
We can also, what is this as a multiplication statement? Well, 12 players in groups of 1 equals 12 players, right?
Easy.
What is that as a division statement? Well, 12 players in groups of 1 gives you how many groups?
12.
12.
Easy.
What other ways can we make up teams? Alright, we can make up teams of 2. So, there you go.
Or 3.
What is this as a multiplication statement? Well, we have 12, so we have 6 groups of 2. So 6 times 2 is equal to 12. As a division statement, it's going to be 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6, or 12 in groups of 2 makes 6 groups. And another way is to make up teams of 3. What is the multiplication statement? 4 groups of 3 is 12. What's the division statement? 12 groups of 3 means you have 4 groups. We can also make groups of 4. There's your multiplication statement. Well, 3 groups of 4 is 12, or 12 things placed in groups of 3 makes 4 groups. And then, of course, we could make 2 groups of 6. So you have 2 times 6 is 12, or 12 divided by in 2 groups gives you 6 each group. And then the last one is put them all in one big group, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I want you to take a look at those. I put them side by side so you can see what's happening. 12 times 1 equals 12. What do you notice about the first division statement? 12 divided by 1 is equal to 12. What do we call that relationship, Chase?
Have the same numbers.
Yeah, so what do we call it when we have something like this where we have numbers which are the same in it? I told you about it. It's in the family, right? There are 4 in each family. So you notice 12 times 1 is the same as 12 divided by 1. Okay? And you'll notice 6 times 2 is 12, so over here on this one, 12 divided by 2 is 6. So this is a family here. And of course, we have 3 and 4, like this. You can see they're related. They are related, aren't they?
Yes, they
Yes,
are.
Gianna?
Dude, all of those numbers take a long time to make.
You mean for me to create this thing?
Yeah.
No, not that long.
Because I don't know, I don't see any button on the keyboard that says multiplication
Oh,
or division.
no, you can't. You have to know the answer.
There's a magic.
So each statement has the same numbers, and is true. So the number of groups, the numbers in each group are the same in each statement. So what I want to do now is draw an array showing the following quotient. I want to do 20 divided by 5. So that's going to be 20 in 5 groups. Do you agree?
Yeah.
That's multiplication. So you're dividing it up, right? I didn't put circles around it, so I could have put circles around it. But there's 20 divided by 5 means you have 4 groups. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. What is the rate for showing 24 divided by 4? Well, we just finished this. Take 24 things and put them in groups of what?
4.
There we go. How many groups do I have?
6.
6 groups. So 24 divided by 4 is 6. All right, now let's look at this array. That's an array. All right? This array shows 2 multiplication statements. What is one of those multiplication statements, Colby?
You'll 3 multiply by 12, 6.
3 times 6 is equal to 18. What is another one, Tristan?
It would be 6 divided by 3.
Nope, not divided.
No, 6 times 3 is 18.
There you go. One of them, this one over here, is 3 times 6. That means 3 groups of 6. So this one that Colby gave me is doing it this way, isn't it?
Yeah.
Tristan said there's 6 groups of 3, so Tristan's doing it this way. Who's right and who's wrong? Noah.
They're both right.
They're both right, exactly. So there you go, all written up nice and pretty for you. Here's a different one. This array shows two division statements too. So I haven't changed the array, it's still 18 there. Okay, so Tiana, what's one of the division statements?
3
Nope.
divided by...
Nope.
Wait, no. Bigger number.
You always start with the number of tiles you
Okay,
have.
well then, 18
Yep.
divided by 3 equals... Six, 3 times 6. Oh, I'm not good at that. 6. Oh, that's
18 things.
Oh, it's 6.
All right.
6.
You say 8 thing, you make groups of 3. Now, wait a minute, did I just circle that same way when I was doing it before, didn't I?
Yeah.
I think I circled it for Tristan.
Yeah, I messed up.
So what about the other way? Which way is this one going to be? Steady.
8 divided by 6 equals 3.
All right. So that she's doing 18 and putting them in groups of 6. Boy, that looks familiar, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Do you think that multiplication and division are related?
Yeah.
All right.
No.
It is obvious, since I did the same drawing for both, that there has to be something connecting these two. And we know it because I've been telling you for the last, week, that you're going to be doing families. That's what these are, right? So here we go. There's the right answer. Okay, now we need to have you look at this and see if we can come up with all 4. Okay, Raven, can you give me a multiplication statement, please?
4 times 7.
Yep.
28.
You got 28. I need another multiplication statement. Noah.
7 times 4 equals 28.
There we go. I need a division statement. Chase.
28 divided by 4 equals 10.
And I need one more division statement. Sierra. Tyra.
That's what 8 divided by 7 equals 4.
There we go. What do you notice about all of these sentences? Yes, Betsy.
They all have that number.
Yeah, they're all dealing with 28, 7,
And 4.
and 4. That makes them a family.
They're family.
Did you know there's also families for adding and subtracting also?
Yeah.
You should know that from before. All right, let's go on to our next one. There's your answers. Oh. Now, what I want you to do on this one is I want you to take a look, and I'm going to tell you right off the bat that this one here is a family with that one.
Yes, 5.
So, yeah, so what do you think the answer is going to be? 5. Pretty easy, yeah? All right, so the second one, who's that going to be, Raven?
8.
8, good job. The third one, Teddy Hughes.
7.
Good. The fourth one, Tristan.
8.
Good. The fifth one, who haven't asked a question? I haven't asked. Holy.
It's 9. No. 32.
I don't see no 9.
32.
2? I don't see no 2.
6. 6.
There you go. Notice there's a 192, there's a 32, there's a 192, there's a 32. So assuming they're correct, that means that's a 6. Okay, so our third one, where's my stick cup? How big is this? It's over yes. All right, the final answer goes to Teddy Hughes. What's the answer?
256.
256, exactly. All right. I'm impressed. You guys are catching on quickly.
Assignment time.
So you think about it. This is what you had to learn. Let's go back to the beginning and see if you learned it, okay? There's what we had right there. Can you take an array and tell me the division and the multiplication statements that are for it? If you can, you're doing great. We accomplished what we're supposed to accomplish. Now, can you take a multiplication sentence and use it to finish a divide sentence when they're in the same family?
Yes.
Can you take a divide statement and use it to finish a multiplication statement? Yes, you can. We did all of it. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are done. You did absolutely great. It's time for your assignment now, so stop the recording.